Women relying on IVF and their advocates had feared the fall of Roe would open the door to states further restricting reproductive rights. Still, the Alabama decision sent shockwaves.
This case, or a case like it, could go all the way up to the Supreme Court at some point. And that's what really puts the future of fertility care at risk.
Kate Weldon LeBlanc heads up Resolve New England, an infertility support group. Her own daughter Sophie was born through IVF. She calls it an intensely personal and emotional journey between an individual and her doctor, not politicians and judges.
People do not understand the medicine of reproductive health care, and they are making changes that are going to impact people that are desperately trying to welcome much wanted children into their lives.
IVF families in Massachusetts are safe for now. Governor Maura Healey vowed again yesterday to protect reproductive rights, but advocates do worry about what's next.
Where people live will determine the quality of health care that they get.
In Alabama, the public outcry has sent Republican lawmakers scrambling. The state's biggest hospital, one of 3 major clinics stopping IVF, says it will not restart treatments until legislation is passed.
And when those health care providers could be potentially restrained by decisions that are made by people that have no expertise in medicine or health care, that's a part where it gets very concerning.
IVF has become a flashpoint on the campaign trail. Donald Trump now calling on Alabama lawmakers to fix the IVF mess down there. Joe Biden accusing Trump of causing the crisis, saying it wouldn't have happened if Trump had not appointed 3 Supreme Court justices who overturned Roe.